Founded more than 25 years ago in Tucson, this school was created with a vision of preparing students for success in an increasingly technology-driven world. From the very beginning, its leadership recognized the importance of strong STEM education and remained committed to helping students excel in science, technology, engineering, and math. So they believe in introducing these special skills to the children at a very young age. So drones have basically taken everybody's imagination by storm. And that's exactly what we want to encourage for these kids today. Drones to children that may have never heard of the concept of careers using drones. And you're going to have an opportunity to inspire them today.
Ready, go! Cheer 'em on, cheer 'em on! Oh! Go! Cheer 'em on, you got this! Woo! On your mark. This is for the goal. This is for first place. On your mark. Get set. Go!
For more than 25 years, I've proudly served your family by providing a free, high-quality education as a free opportunity to continue to follow their dreams and reach all their future endeavors. So I want to thank you for this exciting event. I didn't know what to expect coming here on a Sunday, but you guys definitely made it worth my while, so I just want to thank you kindly. It's very much appreciated. Thank you so much.